How this Toyota Prius came in for an oil change and ended up getting totaled. After popping the hood, our mechanic immediately noticed a mouse nest, which led him to request a further inspection of the vehicle. He soon discovered dog food inside the car's cabin filter and almost everywhere else throughout the vehicle. It turns out, the woman who owned the car stored her dog's food bag inside the garage next to her car, which gave the rodent easy access to go back and forth between the car and food source. Unfortunately, rodents making a home inside your vehicle can cause extensive damage. In this case, it caused so much damage the insurance company decided to completely total the car.